Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about SiaCoin. What's going on in SiaCoin? Absolutely, a lot of people, a lot of SiaCoin holders message me that please predicate SiaCoin. And absolutely, in this video, I'm also talking about the future move of SiaCoin. What will be the next move of SiaCoin? So let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, as you can see here, the currently price of SiaCoin in the market is about 0.01876 USD dollar. That is the currently price of SiaCoin in the market. Other side, if we talk about the changes update of SiaCoin, so now the last 1 hour update is completely negative 0.19%. Unfortunately, guys, only yesterday you found SiaCoin positive mode, but the last 1 week and last 1 hour update of SiaCoin is negative. But guys, I have a good news for all of you, because you know what, guys, possibilities that in the upcoming days, in the upcoming 5 to 10 days, possibilities that the price of SiaCoin will pump due to the last of month, guys. You know what, in the last of month a lot of coin price will blow up, so possibility that SiaCoin price will also blow up in the last of month. So that's why, guys, for all holders of SiaCoin, I suggest that it's time to hold, not to sell, guys. You can see here, guys, the changes that is last 1 month price chart. In the last 1 month, SiaCoin is positive 14% the price pump. So absolutely, SiaCoin is also in the profit, and now in the last half of October there is another chance for profit, guys. So never miss this opportunity, guys. It's time to buy SiaCoin and it's time to hold SiaCoin for future profit. Thanks for watching, guys. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about SiaCoin? Share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.